That's just something cool I just saw here. Take a look. These are real-sized cars. Here we got Mercedes. I don't know what year they are from. And Porsche over here. Mercedes, and this might be a Ferrari, the red one. But yeah. All three next to each other. Oh, it's from Matchbox. Take a look at this. This is from Matchbox. I'm sure you guys remember Matchbox. Right. But this could probably be the most expensive real estate area of the whole country. Let's see what we find. Onitsuga Tiger. Oh, I haven't heard that before. It looks like I got some nice shoes. Onitsuga Tiger. That's interesting. Alright. And then we go further. You see more beautiful stuff. There's a sign. What is this about? Beverly Hills sign. Oh, the sign. Okay. The sign for the sign. Oh, this looks like a new Bentley. That's a nice ride, isn't it? Beige on the inside. Is it beige brown? I don't know. Right. Alright, here's some kind of event going on. The Giorgio Armani here. Might be an art gallery in Hermes. Or someone maybe trying to show the new collection of whatever they're having. There's another line right there. Oh yeah, some of these stores you have to be in line. It's like those nightclubs, you know. But there's a line, and because they don't want everyone to just rush in. So people have a sense of privacy if they want to spend a lot of money. Yeah. Here we have Chanel.
I can make an appointment for another day. We're just making appointments after.
As you can see in this shop, like Chanel, they were just talking about appointments, that he could fit them in for an appointment. You need to have an appointment if you want to come to these shops and buy items. Alright, we have road rage here on Rodeo Drive. Alright, let's cross the road. See what we'll find. Get David Yurman on the other side. Ferragamo here, they are sharing the same building. So most stores here have a doorman standing. It's part of the class. As you can see, we have Rolex. Rolex still very popular. Let's take a look at the watches. Alright. The watches displayed are for exhibition. Okay. Gucci. That looks like a nice building, doesn't it? Very designer style Gucci. Nice. For all the Gucci lovers. Of course, next to Prada. Gotta get some shades from Prada at some point though. What do we have here? Montclair. Montclair right there. You guys see the sign? I'm doing this with a gimbal. Gotta do some very specific moves to catch everything here. Louvre over there. And what is that? Schaffhausen. That sounds and looks very German, maybe Swiss. Looks like they're gonna do some very interesting watches. IWC Schaffhausen. I'm gonna keep that in mind. It's gonna pop up at some point somewhere. Yves Saint Laurent right here. Valentino. Let's get closer to it. Okay. See his jacket got some spikes there. And the pants. It's good armor, I guess.
I'm just like, because my guard is going to lunch, so I just like,
Dolce Gabbana here. We have Kylie Jenner posing for Dolce Gabbana.
okay.
Oh, there's a car show coming up. I'm sure you guys saw all the signs here on the road. Let's take a look. Car show, June 18. Well, that might be a cool thing to do. I might come back here for it. Let's see. Oh, take a look at that. You see that at the top of the roof of Louis Vuitton? Right there. There's some kind of gathering. I think this is where you go when you're a special customer, I guess, like VIP, probably. My guess. And here we are again, reaching the beginning of where we started. Alright guys, this was Rodeo Drive. Here we have another nice BMW 7 Series. They really improved this year. Yeah, this is it guys. If you come to LA, this is definitely one of those places that you want to visit. Take nice pictures, dress up nicely. If you get a rental car, you want to drive this road.